Yo, what up? What up? Tuesday's here. Choppy Tuesday. Wow, is it going to be choppy or not? That's the question, isn't it? That's the question. I'm leaning with no. I feel like we can get a decent session today. We had a choppy day yesterday, didn't we? So I'm leaning towards a decent session today. We'll see. We'll see. Marking out some levels quickly. That's the 1 minute. So I am. Let's go to news first. Nothing to worry about. We've got Bowman speaking at 10 AM. So potential anything like rate news. Anything to do with rates, could be a little bit market moving potentially. Other than that, no news to worry about other than the whole Ukraine war meeting, truce crap. Obviously anything with that could be market moving as well, so which is obviously going to be out of the blue in it, so play it by ear with that. Break even this morning on the funded, frustratingly, because I've had a really good day on the test account that I'm on. I'm at max. I had to stop because of the consistency rule this morning, so I'm at 1,400 on the test account. On the 50k doing the volume profile stuff. Had 2.5 winning trades. I don't know why my entries aren't coming up. That's because I did it on ES, that'd be why. 2.5 winning trades. I had to stop halfway through the third winning trade, which ended up being a loss. Luckily. So yeah, short from here. Nice win on this one. Didn't take this one of the funders because I was out and about, sat in the hospital waiting room. She had a midwife appointment, so didn't get to it on the funded. Got to this one on the funded. Nice short from previous day point of control. So it was this is my second win on the test account. First win on the funded. Oh, bollocks. And then was in this position. And then closed roughly here. Because I realised I was close to the consistency rule 1,500. So I couldn't really work it out because I was sitting in my garden on my phone. Sorting out the garden. I couldn't quite work out how much more I needed to get to 1,500, so I just sort of closed it there. Luckily, because it ended up being a loser anyway. But I took this on the funders, which put me at break even on the day. So yeah, I don't know how I managed to basically be trading the same thing, but max win on the test account, but break even on the funded account. Fucking typical. Nathan, yo, how you doing, man? How you doing? Yeah, I feel like we're gonna have a bit of a better session today than we did yesterday. 50% reckon short, 50% reckon choppy Tuesday. I'm going short. I like the idea of a short more than I do a long. I think purely because there's more room to go that way. But we've got 1 minute to open. And what happened this morning? Pushed up. Asia open, sold off. London pushed up as well. It's a good sign that I feel like we're gonna have a short day, in my opinion. Right, I've got a hotkey set up today. I realised doing this this indicator of Hugh's indicator. Obviously, you get a lot of short, long, sort of, ideally you're pressing the reverse button rather than cancel and then open a new position. Ideally, you're pressing the reverse button. I couldn't get hotkeys to work the other day when I started it, so I just haven't been bothering. I've just been closing out, opening the new position in the other direction. And saw yesterday that I've been losing about 1 to 2 points per trade doing that. So over the course of 10 trades, it ended up being like 15-point difference, which is obviously a lot of money on the if you're trading the minis. I think it worked out. I was about $300 off, $300 worse off yesterday than I should have been. I was what, $750 down yesterday. Should have been more like sort of $450. So I've got hotkeys working today. Alright, let's get myself ready. Not sure what I'm looking for on the funders really. I'm not really loving the previous day area levels because we've tapped most of them other than previous day value are high. So potentially previous week point of control up top, or we've got value low down here. If we get down there, we get a little reaction from there. Shit, am I on the right account? I am not. Had a hectic as fuck day today, man. Been on the go since 6:30ish. Had a midwife appointment at 8:30. Went out for breakfast, which was nice. Found a new place to go. Straight off. Come back. Had a little sort out of the garden. Did a couple of tip runs. Dropped some ton bags off my mother-in-law's house because she was letting us borrow some ton bags for the tip run. Went and got the car cleaned because the car was a mess, and then went to Halfords to get some replacement blades, window blades. Oh, big sell-off now. I didn't quite have time to fit them. I had to got back and had to come set up for the trading day. This ES has rejected point of control. Taking the previous day low already, straight away. Which is my sort of main target for shorts today is 622 is what I was thinking. And we're almost halfway there, so it's looking more doable today than it was yesterday. But unfortunately no entry for this. It's sad, isn't it? Fucking lovely it would have been. Told you, didn't I? A little bit more action today. 80-point move down. I had to see something going on after yesterday's boring as fuck day. ES has not taken lower day yet. Come close. Should have given you the intro, I know, man. Gutted. I think it's because we opened up below the area. From what I can gather, it's when it crosses the area, it'll sort of give you a long or a short if it was coming down. Bloody typical after yesterday, innit? Getting chopped about, and then today no entry. So far, obviously there could be an entry still if we come back up. Oh, we're still not taking that level. ES is having a little bit of a bounce here. Oh, that was a quick move up. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what ES does here if we're going to reject the value area low, potentially maybe come back up to point of control. To be fair, I wouldn't be surprised if we push up and take the 669 area. 469 area, sorry. So it'd be interesting to see what happens if we had a nice high volume bar here as well. 932. But you can just see it being absolutely nasty and coming up and taking the highs, can't you? While everyone's gotten short. ES is going for it. What day is the meeting minutes? Is that tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow. I'm long NQ from 678, targeting 630. Nice, man. 730. Nice. 678. Oh, happy days, man. Beautiful entry there, Nathan. 730. Boom. Take profit hit. Well done, man. Good trade. Good trade. ES taking the highs. Told you tonight, nasty, nasty, nasty. How many people would have just been stopped out there on a short? First 50 minutes is a bit risky. I mean, it depends on the strat, doesn't it? Depends on the strat. I tend to avoid it on the funded with the volume profile stuff. I like to wait 20 to 30 minutes before getting into a trade on the fundeds. Like, especially with that, like, I'm purely like wanting levels to be respected, and the first sort of half an hour it can quite easily blast through levels, can't it? Just like a short from the previous day, point of control would have been a lovely little trade there, but again, too early in the session. You just get that volatility, don't you? And then Q's back at the lows, Jesus. Nathan, I'd say your take profit, mate, was at the perfect place. How much size did you have on, Nathan? Looks like it's sold off because you sold your long. Don't you feel like an absolute genius when you do that? When your take profit's literally the to the tick, and then it carries on going down. $800 minis, yeah, I'm surprised, man. Nah, small size, 3 micros. Small and consistent, yeah, I'm only joking, man. Micros is the way to go. Imagine trading with 800 minis, that'd be fucking mental. Every tick would be like, what, 10 grand? They literally dumped 1 tick after my take profit. Yeah, mental, man. Tell you what, you feel invincible when that happens. Not invincible, but you feel pretty special when that happens. ES is a lot stronger than NQ today, isn't it? I mean, I'd say ES is just a lot stronger overall. Previous all-time high that we took a few days ago, maybe last week sometime. All the way up here, what's that? From 0.84% away. But then on the ES, we're 0.14% away from that ES high that we took last week. The ES is looking like it's maybe break and retest the all-time highs potentially if we stay above it. NQ is below it at the minute. Yeah, looking a bit stronger on ES on the daily. Yeah, something stronger than NQ today, yeah, man. Yeah, ES is refusing to take the lows at the minute. We'll probably get there, but... Meeting between NATO military leaders on Ukraine expected to take place on Wednesday. Could be interesting. What do you reckon then? Do we reckon Ukraine is going to say, no, we won't join NATO? And that'll be how this deal goes ahead. Well, we've got Mr. Bowman speaking in soon. Mr. Bowman could be the market mover today. No, the market mover. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. Hey, I'm not really sure if I'm going to get anything else on the funders today. Depending on where we go from here, really. I'm just not interested in any of these levels. We're chopping around there most of the morning. If we break out the range that we're in on ES, we could potentially get something, but... I think he's going for it again. Taco, how you doing, mate? How you doing? How was your day yesterday, right? Yeah, calm day. Got to stick to the setups and not get greedy, but calm day. Maybe try trading combines at a time, okay? Yeah, yesterday was a shocking day, wasn't it? Choppy was. I was looking at the 15-minute from yesterday. I mean, we got a bit of a trend in the PM session, but it was hardly any move to it, really. what, 86 points over like 4 hours. But shockingly looking on the 15 minute. I'm pretty sure ES is even worse, I think. Look at fucking ES yesterday on the 15-minute chart. That is just dog shite, innit? Well, I'm buzzing about the morning I've had though. It's been quite a good morning, really. Considering I haven't been at the computer at all. Just been trading from my phone. 1.4k up on the test account. Break even on the fundeds, but that's fine. But hopefully we can have a good decent day on this the 150k account as well. That'd be cool. Leo, how you doing, mate? Leo, how was your day yesterday with the horrendous price action we had? Was it yesterday you were 150 down, or was that the day before? I can't remember. You said you were up, and then you ended up being 150 down. Is that how you ended? Was that 110 down? Was down 180, then ended plus 70. Flip flop kind of day. I mean, that's how the market was anyway, wasn't it? Flip flop, up and down, up and down. Until accounts, nice, man. Yeah, at least you ended in the green. But I mean, a small loss on yesterday would have been a win as well, to be honest. It was a shitty day yesterday. Dude from Brazil that I know that trades on Apex lost 5 personal accounts with 6k in each one. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck. So what's that, 30k, is that right? That's fucking shocking, man. He fucked up on the front wheels of his car in the morning, then went on to trade yesterday. Didn't end good. Jesus, man. It's mad, like, what tilt can do to you, though, isn't it? You can just wipe away everything very quickly. Don't trade if you're not in a clear headspace. Yeah, man. 100%. 100%. You've got to be mentally zen, haven't you? You've got to be zen. Oh, mate, these fucking Nightbot comments are doing my head in. There's supposed to be a good, like, 10 minutes between each comment. Don't know what's going on with it. Right, I've updated them a little bit so they're a bit more spaced apart. I've got one that's 40 minutes, one that's 50 minutes, one that's 30 minutes. In fact, no, I've changed it again. One 20 minutes, one 40 minutes, one 60 minutes. So there should be 20 minutes between each one at least. I can imagine the tilt, yeah, man. Yeah, as soon as you, like, funded accounts, as soon as you're, like, starting to go down a couple of K, I imagine it all just goes out the window. Because you just lost a few K on each account. You're going to be absolutely fuming, and the rest will go pretty quick as well. That's why I think it's always good to, obviously, you want to build the accounts up, don't you? But you also don't want to leave too much in there because you never know with what days are going to happen. Oh, ES is broken above. ES is off. We're going to hold it 45 seconds till candle close. Get into some action. We get a buy signal in a minute, I reckon. Alright, I'm going to set up a little short off of the previous weak point of control. Indicator active today, yes, man. Yeah, definitely active. If we push up any more, I'm expecting a buy signal. Over 50 points across 5 me, 50k combos. Nice, Nathan. Nice, man. How many thunders have you got up and running them? Have you got thunders up and running? With Lucid. Recommend them, by the way. Great firm. I platform X as well. Okay, yeah. How long have you been with them for? Weird, I've expected a bicycle on them. Right, I'm going to short. So I'm going to short, I'm shorting. 5 funded will take profit. 5 combines will lose it. Okay, yeah. I want to get them funded, etc. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. It's good to not keep all your eggs in one basket, innit? I've got my finger on the reverse button if we're going long. I find the futures are meant to be having a sale tomorrow, and also Tradeify expected to have some discounts in the coming days. Okay, nice. Nice, man. Yeah, Tradeify was running one the other day. I was a bit shit. I should have posted it really on the socials, but I didn't get around to it. Who said I haven't been with Logan? They're quite new, but great support. CEO is always on their Discord. Rules are very similar to Tradeify. Okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. Yeah, I always get like a bit skeptical of like the newer ones. Bit more of a riskier play in it, but I think as long as you accept that risk, it's fine. As long as you're aware of it, and yeah, make sure you don't leave too much funds on there if you've got the pro accounts or funded accounts. Clay, how you doing, man? How you doing? Yeah, going good. Having quite a good day. I'm up 1.4k on one challenge account. Had to stop because it's obviously near the consistency rule. Break even on the fundeds. 1 win, 1 loss on there. And I seem to be in an alright position at the minute as well. What about you, Clay? How's it been for you, man? You having a good day? Good week? Yesterday was fucking awful, wasn't it? Since the start of August, 9 losses in a row on the Thunders. Ah, Clay, man, that's fucking shite. Hard to deal with a losing streak like that, and it's hard to deal with. Yeah, 9 is a lot, man. But just accept this part of it. You're gonna have big losing streaks sometimes, aren't you? And yeah, keep your chin up high. Stay confident in your strategy. The only thing that's put me off about this short is the ES is looking relatively strong at the minute. With 700 left to play, so just sizing down for now. Yeah, mate, that's the way to do it. I had, obviously, as you know, a really shitty year on the funded. And yeah, scaled down to $50 per trade, man. And it just helps with the longevity of it. Like, worst case scenario, even if you end up losing the accounts after that, at least you've scaled down and you're getting a lot more trades in than what you would have, do you know what I mean? You're getting free trading experience because it's not costing you anything on the funded, is it? And yeah, if it turns around, great. You can slowly start building them back up again. Slowly start increasing your risk. If you end up losing them, at least you've got an extra couple of months of trades in, rather than just blowing them in a couple of days. Mr. Bowman's concluded his remarks now. So yeah, should be no surprises other than Trump and the Ukraine stuff at the minute. We need ES to drop this level, really, don't we? But ES is looking quite strong still. My missus is messaging me. I don't know why she's telling me this, but apparently there's a place in London called Cucumber Alley. I've gone back to her and said, yeah, it sounds like it's where you go to get blasted with cucumbers. Hello, happy trader Sam, are you giving away tape profit trader accounts? No, mate, I am not. We'll go perhaps some Reading first, catch some wins, and I'll check in next week. Oh, nice, Clay. Enjoy, man. I did Reading 9-10 years ago, maybe. It's quality. It was good, man. Enjoy it, enjoy it. Yeah, still undecided. I think, to be honest, I'll be trading aggressively under this level here, 672. ES is just looking very strong on it. Unless ES absolutely slaps down. Lovely close in the 1 minute. ES at the lower end of this little range it's in. Oh, I'm going to trail this down aggressively now. ES is bouncing again. It didn't quite take that level. I was hoping that we would, but... I'm out. Boom. Not bad, not bad. ES has really put me off on that. 950. ES could absolutely slap down now, but I just feel like we're going to find support, if not here, at the point of control. The fact that it's revisiting it so much, to be fair, makes me think we're going to come down slightly more, but... There we go. There's a flush down. There you go. ES dropped as well. Shaved off. What a good 500. Not waiting for that, but... There we go. There's a lower target taken. Take profit was around here. Oh, I missed out on. So where did I get out here? Missed out on 50 points. Which is going to be a painful number. Come on, behave. What are you doing? Missed out on 1,000. Missed out on 1,000, but... So it could have been 2,000 up, but I'm happy with 1,000 up. Nice little trade there. It's a 585 low that can be swept yet. 585, yeah. Yeah, could get that. Frustrating. Look at my my stop, my trail and stop. Literally on this tiny little wick here is what I got stopped out on. Yes, it's gone as well. Oh, happy with that though. So 1.7 up on this account so far. Yeah, buzzing with that, man. 950 up. Look at the balances on the take profit accounts today. Nice to see, innit? Nice to see. We'll keep that momentum going and we'll be there in no time. There you go, there comes the retracement. Good to be green, it is, man, it is. Happy to watch your indicator these days. Yeah, man, it's a good indicator, isn't it? Good indicator. I've got the main man Hugh to thank for that. Cracking little indicator that he's made. Short at the top. Well, not quite at the top. Top would have been up here, but I'm happy with this top. Nathan's on again. I think you might be alright, mate. I think you might be right in along. ES holding up strong still. $6.30 long. Nice entry, man. Nice entry. How many points was that then? So it was here to here, wasn't it? 47 points. We need to break even soon, probably, yeah. Not a bad move, mate. You're already up on the day, aren't you? Don't want to give any of that back. Oh, fuck me, we're still going, boys. Jesus. Jesus. We'll close out this set order on the previous week, put it in control before I forget. Green 3 accounts up 500. Nice, Leo. Nice day. Be careful not to fuck up now. Mate, I'd fucking call it a day. Call it a day. There's nothing wrong with $500 on the day. You'd be absolutely livid if you give any of that back. Lewis popping in as I have 10 minutes. How's it going? Yeah, man, good. Good day today. Wow. Funded break even. 1 win, 1 loss. But I am up 950 on the on Hughes indicator. And 1.4 on the volume profile stuff. I only stopped because I was close to the consistency rule on the day. Which is actually good that I did, because I was in a third trade which ended up being a loss, but I took profit early, so good day to close it early. Yeah, good day, man. Good day. It's like a tasty trade on the stream, man. Yeah, it was good. It was good. The only thing is, man, that when my trade in the stop ended, I wanted to trade it aggressively coming to this taking this low here. I wasn't confident in the shorts, to be honest. And then, so yeah, trailed it, and look exactly where I got stopped out, the very top of this wick on this big fucking red candle. Typical, innit? Missed out on about, because my original take profit was down here, so missed out on another K. Missed out on another 1K. There would have been 2K up-ish for the day, but I'm happy with 1K. If you shared the indicator, I might have a look. Be interesting to look at. It's a paid one. I've got the link somewhere. Check in the description. It should be a link somewhere, man. But it's a paid one, so you have to pay to get access to it. Enter his class. Yeah, I mean, pretty much higher day in it, other than the open. Entry here. Let's take a look. Yeah, man, it's decent so far. There's been 2 days. Yesterday wasn't great, and the previous Monday wasn't great. It doesn't work amazing on like really choppy days. But other than that, I've been green every day. Green every day last week, other than Monday, and that's when I started when it was last week. And yeah, today's obviously a green day as well. And if I'd managed it a little bit better, could have been a lot more out, because this dropped very quickly. Could have quite easily got another 1K out of it. Yeah, still looking strong, man. Still not taking a lower day yet. Sounds like a good day for you, yeah, man. It was good. Blew to accounts yesterday. Oh, what? Can't complain, took an extra trade, which I shouldn't have. All being there, okay, yeah. But yeah, it's not too bad when you've when you can see that you just haven't followed your rules. You've taken that extra trade. It's sort of a bit more manageable, because you can just say, right, yeah, I fucked up, but it shouldn't happen again. And then try and not make it happen again. Okay, net went out for 20 minutes. Right when I was looking to sell it up there. Oh man, gutted. Nothing worse than that. Nothing worse. Can't fucking trust the internet providers. Once you still have others caught 2K on that open and drop, which was nice. Oh, nice, Lewis, man. Nice. 100% on me. I stopped out by 3 points regardless. It taught me a lesson I needed it. Yeah, nothing wrong with a lesson well learnt, man. It's a good thing about mistakes. It helps you learn lessons, doesn't it? Trump's obviously busy today. There's been no news on financial duties for half an hour. It's unusual. Right, I think I'm going to set an alert up on ES if we get down to that previous week value very low. I've already got one set up. Nice. If we get heavy going into the PM session, could look to potentially long this later on. This is an indicator specific to NQ or other tickers. Just NQ, mate. Obviously, it appears on ES, but the yeah, it's not. Don't trade it on anything else. I don't know if he's tested on anything else, but I think it's set up specifically for NQ, so it would probably be giving false signals and stuff on anything else. Let's get a alert set up here as well, in case we come back up for the high. Might be able to get one more on the funders later on or something. Yeah, specific to NQ Lewis and specifically the 1 minute. I think he's testing it on like things like the 3 minute, the 5 minute. I think you get less signals, which can be good because it can get a bit messy on the choppy days. You can have like sort of 3-4 losses in a row kind of thing before you get the move. And on the really choppy days, you just get a load of fucking flip flop entries and then have big red days. But happens few and far between, I think. But on the 5 minute, your stop loss ends up being too big kind of situation. On the 3 minute, I think it could be the middle ground. Do you know what I mean? Less entries, so you get less chop. But then the stop loss isn't quite as big as the 5 minute. So, but I think he's still doing the back testing with that. So 1 minute I'm happy with, man. 1 minute's been treating me good. A 585 sweep. Yeah, we got it, man, didn't we? We got it. So I mean, what was that? Looking at the hourly. There's definitely more targets further down if we want to keep going there. Got 518, 503. I think this could be a good place to reverse though. Oh, ES is going for it. We're taking the low. We've taken the low. Just about. Right below the sweep is a fib level. Okay. Got a long there. 15-point stop. Already out. Nice, man. Give me a place for a pullback. Yeah. Nice little trade there, man. You love a fib, don't you, Leo? They treat you well, don't they? Got love those 2-second trades. I'm off, good chatting. Wishing you all good. All agreeing. But yeah, nice one, Lewis. You too, man. You too. Cheers, stopping by. Enjoy your day. Yeah, trying to find some possible levels that price bounce off. Yeah, I get that, man. And my next target down is at least 160 points more, yeah? It's not looking good. Yeah, I mean, it's, what's the ES doing? ES looking quite heavy as well. Could be a big red day. Well, I'm glad I went break even. Oh, nice, Nathan. Good call, man. Was worried about your trade. Well, I think I'm going to call it, boys. I think I'm going to call it. Seems very unlikely we're going to come back up here to get another signal on the indicator, so... in 8 minutes, at least, anyway. Potentially might be looking too long from 438 on ES if we get down there, but we'll see. We'll see. It'll have to be a bit of a bloodbath to get that far down, won't it? Right, if you're still trading today, guys, take it easy. It's a bit of a mental one. And I'll be back tomorrow. Normal time. Hopefully another lovely green day. That'd be cool. And yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers for stopping by. Have a good one. And yeah, see you later. See you later.